Hi everybody, welcome to the video section of our Launchmetrics Support Center. Today we're going to be covering how to create contact categories and contact types. Contact categories are the overarching categorization of your contact database. Contact types are a little bit more filtered down version of these categories. We recommend using fewer categories and more types to keep the database clean and a little bit leaner, I'd say. So to create the contact category, we're going to hover over this Contacts tab, and we're going to scroll down to our Category Manager. Now for us, we're starting from scratch here on our Support Center video. You might find that when you start using Launchmetrics products at your company, the categories have already been established for your team. So I would suggest going into your category manager and viewing the different contact categories that have been made previously, and the same thing with viewing the contact types before thinking about making new ones. Definitely talk with your internal manager or whoever has the experience working with Launchmetrics at your company, and just get an idea of what type of categories have we used, how have they been used, as well as the types. So as we move forward in the Support Center video section, you're going to find that we're going to be having videos on creating contacts one by Excel, and we're going to see these categories again. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Contact Category, and we're going to make our very first contact category. Just going to call it Press. You can do it in lowercase, uppercase, title case, however you want to. You can create that category as. Just note when you are creating contacts, either one by one or by Excel, the categories that you select are going to have to match exactly how you have them in your category manager. So just be mindful of that. So I'm going to go ahead and create Press. And now if I click on Search, you see the first category we've made. I'm also going to go ahead and create a couple more. Let's do Retail. You'll see that there. And then lastly, we can go ahead and create VIP. So Press, Retail, VIP, very high level. We can use our types to filter those categories down and figure out exactly what type of category a contact might be. So I'll hover back over my Contacts tab. I'll go to Contact Type Manager. And this is where you'll see, again, we're starting from scratch here in our Support Center videos. So I'm going to go ahead and create my very first contact types. Again, if you're just getting started at a new company, you might see that there's already a long list of contact types that have already been established. So you might not need to ever really do this, but definitely for new users and if you are creating types for the first time, this is something you'll have to do. So I will click on Create Contact Type. And some of the examples that we're going to go ahead and use are Editor, Designer, Blogger, Luxury, and lastly, Celebrity. In our future support videos that you can view, you're going to see other places where we can create those contact categories and types, but right out of the bat, this is where you would do that. Hover over Contacts, go to your Category Manager or Contact Type Manager, and put those contact categories and contact types in place just like that. Thanks for viewing. Please continue to follow along in our Support Center video section. There will be videos on how to create contacts one by one, as well as creating contacts via Excel. Thanks for watching.